Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In case you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Help me reach our 1000 subscribers guys. So this is my YouTube channel and this yet another new video. So today I just want to give you an update on my $5,000 instant account with equityedge and how I traded the last week. So last week was a profitable week for me, and I think I'm entering a phase of profitability. But it's just that entering profitability, you can't realize like there is that thing you can't realize you're entering profitability. But according to how I'm feeling right now, I feel like I'm entering profitability. But it, guys, let me just review the trades I took last week. So last week I had about three trades, and it was a profitable week. Yeah, it was a profitable week. So on Monday I had this setup right here which I missed it. So this was it. So London open, and I was expecting price to come back to this particular zone right here, this psychological level right here, but it never reversed. So this was my expectation. I expected that price will break this zone, then maybe retest back to this area, then go up. But the market was so volatile, and I never caught an end. That's why this was a missed trade. So I never executed any trade on Monday. And then that's it. I think that's more of discipline, because maybe I could rush and execute a trade right here. Okay, it could have been a win, but it was not according to my plan. So that's it, guys. That was on Monday, and then on Tuesday, that was on Monday. And then on Tuesday, I had this losing trade right there. So I executed this trade at around this area right there. It was around London Open at around 10:45 a.m. or 10 a.m. Kenyan time, and it went for around something like 30 pips. Let me just do this for you. So this market went for about, you can see it went for about 36 pips, and sometimes I normally prefer going for putting my take profit at around psychological levels or the round levels. So if my take profit was around 213.5, I think this could have been a win trade. But there was a news at this time. So as you can see, there was US news, and this affected the market, and it ended up being a loss trade. So for me, sometimes I don't prefer pushing my stop loss to break even, but that's something I need to learn right now to use it. Either closing partials or pushing stop loss to break even. So that might be favorable for me, because the main reason why we are doing this risk management thing is to protect our capital, and protecting what is ours, man. So I think it's so hard looking for another capital, but looking for another setup is not hard. So just wait for another day, look for a setup and execute, man. But now for when you lose or when you blow an account, looking for another capital is so painful. Like going, maybe you are working 9 to 5, looking for another capital to deposit in your account is something else. I've experienced that, and it's not good, man. So just protect your capital. If you can learn to close partials or just pushing a stop loss to break even, that might be a nice skill to have while trading. So that's it, guys, because also the market is not favorable. So you need to plan how you are going to do this. That's it. And then that was on Tuesday, and I lost this trade. It was not bad actually, because the risk was managed and everything. That was my first trade of the week. It was a loss, because on Monday I missed a trade. Then on Tuesday it was a loss trade. On Wednesday I had a winning trade on Wednesday. So you can see on Wednesday I executed a trade at London Open. So I like trading at London Open. GBP as you all know, GBP is most volatile during London Open, and sometimes during New York Open and all those things. So that's it. Me, I like trading on London Open. That was it. So I executed this trade at around 11:30 a.m. Kenyan time. This was it. Looking at this consolidation trade happened for long. I need to remove this. So guys, there was this consolidation right there. Then you can see there was this pattern, this bearish flag right there. So I was expecting, for me, it was easy to wait for the break and retest of this flag, then go up. But according to my own price action, sometimes you just have some instincts telling you you have to end. So I ended hard, and this ended up being a winning trade. Yeah, as you can see right here, this is my screenshot right here. But the major problem with this trade is that it was on Wednesday when I executed this trade, but it extended up to Thursday. So on Thursday is when I took the profit. So I held this trade from Wednesday at around London Open to Thursday London Open. So this is like 24 hours. So this trade took approximately 24 hours for it to close. And as you can see, there is a lot more of patience to put in there, because you can see it came almost to my take profit right here. Just 10 bips, guys. Something like 9 bips or 8.8 bips to hit my take profit. But you can see the test back, build up that pattern right there. And on Thursday morning, take profit was it. So that was it, guys. This was a winning trade, which paid back the missed trade on Monday and the losing trade on Tuesday. That was it. And then on Thursday, I never executed any other trade from there, and I waited for Friday. So on Friday, I had this winning trade right here. This winning trade right here. But for the risk to reward ratio, I like using a risk to reward ratio 1:3. As you can see here, it's 1:2.59, which was a bit lower. But the reason for that is I told you I like taking profits at around psychological levels. So that's it. I took a profit at around psychological level, and again it was on a Friday. The markets were about to close, and on instant account there is a rule that you should not hold trades on weekend. So that's it. That's about how the week went, and it was a profitable week. So you can see if I was risking 1%, you can see I lost 1% here. Here I made 4% plus 2%. This is like 6.59% minus 1%. So I made 5% for this week. So that's it, guys. You just pushing, being consistent, remaining disciplined, and doing the right thing. I also tried journaling the trades, and I'm using a physical book to journal my trades. So maybe I can show you one of my journaling books right here. So I use this journal book right here to journal my trades. So that's, guys, you just pushing, remaining consistent, and remaining patient. There's nothing more. So let me share with you my equityedge 5K instant account dashboard. So this is my dashboard here. As you can see, we have the equity right here with a balance of 5,315 and all those, everything. Consistency, as I told you what's happening here. But let's focus with this week. So last week I shared with you this, and last week I had this. So on Tuesday I lost at 9.34. Yeah. Then on Wednesday, there was no trade, but I executed a trade on Wednesday, but it was closed on Thursday. So that's the reason why. So I never traded on Monday and Wednesday. Yeah, no, Monday and Thursday. But on Wednesday I traded, but I held a trade to Thursday. So on Thursday I had this win of $101, which is like 2%. And on Friday I had a profit of $51, which is like a 1%. So as you can see, overall last week I made about 2%, 3% minus 1%. That's like 2%. So I made around 2%. So that's, guys. Next week we also pray that it will be a profitable week, and also I'm looking forward to make a payout on this account. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. So road to 1,000 subscribers, so that also I can monetize this channel. That's it, guys. See you in my next video.